In this video, I'm going to show you how to use paid ads for free to make money online as a beginner affiliate marketer. So we're going to use paid ads for free. It's for beginners and we're going to make money from passive affiliate marketing. This is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts and this amount, $146,145, is pure passive affiliate commissions. Sounds good, but in fact, which is better is these. These are the clicks on our affiliate links by real people. They liked what we did, clicked our links, purchased from us, and we made money. Now for this, we did not need a website. We did not need experience, no technical knowledge, no mailing list, no social media following required. The only thing we needed is to have a sincere interest to help others with valuable information that they're looking for using videos. Yes, we make money from videos, but here is a good news. If you hate cameras and microphones and hate to record yourself, then I have a good news for you, because for our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. We use our own artificial intelligence software, Epiiic. And Epiiic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Epiiic turns images and text into videos. Epiiic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. With Epiiic, we don't need to add voiceover because Epiiic turns text into natural sounding voiceover, and Epiiic turns text into slides for videos, and Epiiic makes bite-sized videos. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long, then compile them all together into long video. Anyone, literally any beginner, can use Epiiic and make videos. We made it for ourselves, so myself, my kids, and my beginner team members can churn out videos for our 20 plus channels, and we publish videos for all those channels every single day. We get viewers, visitors from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They love our content, our information we share. They click our links, purchase from us, and we make money. That's the simplest way to make affiliate commissions. But before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. This way, not only you are learning, but also you're helping others learn the same. They will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Let's begin. Now the question is, how do we use paid ads for free? Go to this website called vidtao.com and sign up for your free account using your email address. Then go inside and start looking for top videos or top advertisers. Now this is what we do. I found one of the top advertisers is Grammarly, and this is one of their top running ad on YouTube. Almost over 7 million views so far, and approximate ad spend is $350,000. That's $0.3 million. So the first thing I would do is look for what they highlighted in their ad video. Is it about grammar mistakes? Is it about spelling mistakes? Is it about plagiarism? Or is it some other feature of the software? What is the first sentence they mentioned in the video? And then I will go to any keyword research tool like Ubersuggest, go to the keyword section, keyword ideas, and try to get more keyword ideas, what people are looking for. Are they looking for plagiarism more? Are they looking for grammar checker more? They're looking for correct sentence, correct words, spelling mistakes, what people are looking for. I will try to understand what people are looking for on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Now I know almost everything about the audience that Grammarly is targeting, and that audience is converting as customer, because I need to target the same audience in order to make money online for free as affiliate. Look at all these videos and all these views. They clearly show what people are looking for, what people are struggling with when it comes to English grammar. And Grammarly is offering help with those problems. Now, the next thing I will do, I will go to Google and search with Grammarly affiliate and try to find out the affiliate page of Grammarly and sign up as an affiliate. In order to sign up, you have to click become an affiliate and you have to fill in all this information. But before that, I want to highlight their commission structure. Right at the moment, at the time of shooting this video, they are offering 20 cents per free account, no payment required. So you collect your affiliate link and you send visitors to that link. If they sign up for a free account, which is very useful, I have a premium Grammarly account, but even free account is useful. You get paid 20 cents. So for 100 free signups, which is extremely easy, you make $20. For 1,000 free signups, you make $200 just for free signups again. But you make $20 per premium upgrade. You might be saying, Mosh, I have no idea about English grammar. I don't know what to teach. Don't worry about it. Look at this 1 minute shorts. Grammar related 1 minute short, and look at the number of views they have got. I simply searched with the keyword grammar on YouTube and I found these videos. They are helpful videos solving one problem at a time, and they're just 1 minute videos. Some videos are with men and women, real people talking about. Some videos are just instruction videos, advice videos, just 1 minute video. And you can actually learn from these videos and make your own video. You don't have to copy from anyone. You just learn the system and make your own using Epiiic. Epiiic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. While the detailed trainings for Epiiic and all the tips and tricks are here, click the help purple button at the bottom left corner or at the top. Just click here and you'll be on the training page. All the tips and tricks are here. Let me show you an interesting way to make videos just like this. To help me make a video, I'm using an artificial intelligence software, Texta. You can use anything you want. Texta is also free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab your access. Now I'm starting an article, English grammar tips, and then I will go to advanced. I will choose the type of content. I think big secret is a good thing here, and then I will keep everything as is. Click generate title, and the AI has given me some title ideas. Well, in this case, I like the first one, so I will keep as is. I can regenerate more titles, all automatic using AI. The only thing I'm doing is clicking. Now generate outline, and the AI is working in the background. Now I have got an outline of the article: how to improve your grammar, correct your grammar, create effective English grammar, improve English voice, English tone, English quotations, etc., etc. Super cool. I would just delete this section. I don't need it. And I think just remove this. I will remove this, and I will simply click finish. And again, the app is working in the background. The AI has generated a 784 words article. Now let me show you how to make videos out of it in just one click. I'm gonna copy these 3 paragraphs and go to Epiiic, go to the text section and click copy and paste text. On the pop-up, I will paste the text, a few more enters to make some more paragraphs, because more always looks better. I think this looks good. I will click submit, and look what happens on the right hand side. In a matter of seconds, all these sections are created. Each paragraph has become each slide. Now change the text if you want. I like Oswald a lot. Change the text color if you want, a little lighter. And this one is talking about speaker. I will just search on Pixabay for speaking related image, and I got this photo which looks good, and an image is added. Now you can play around with this image. You can add more if you want. You can add simple transitions and animations using the techniques mentioned in the training. Reposition the image if you want, or make the image the full background and change the text color to something bright. Nice. Now you can take this text, just copy it, go to the audio section. There are multiple ways to add audio. You can upload an audio file, or you can simply record directly using your microphone, or you can click here, give it a title. I name it slide 1, select the quality, choose a voice type, and paste the text here. Now just click submit, and immediately your natural sounding voiceover is ready. Go to the text to audio section, click to play. The moment I play, I will ask the editor to download this audio from here and play it. Let's play.
If you want to be a better English speaker, Here are some tips for improving your grammar skills. These tips can help you improve your pronunciation.
Did you like it? Now you can just one click and add the voiceover in this slide. And now you can save the work and go to other work if you want. Come back later, add more section if you want. Basically, your sections are already created in case you want to add some more text, more audio, more image, or a background video. And the moment you are ready with your video, simply click the render button and your video will be ready in the background. Then you will get an email notification. From there, you can download it, upload it to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And remember, in your video, ask your viewers to click in the link in the description, just like we do in our videos. Also remember to put your link in the first comment and pin your comment by clicking these 3 dots. And if you put videos on TikTok, put your link in the bio and mention in the video that the link is in the bio. Your viewers should click the link to get access to what you are promoting. This is the simplest form of getting viewers, visitors, traffic, get clicks on your links, and make money online as an affiliate marketer using other people's paid ads for free. And if you continue to do this, it will take a couple of minutes to maximum half an hour of your time. And each video you make, maybe using Epiiic, maybe using your camera or any other software, can get millions of views. All you need is a sincere interest of helping others with helpful information that they are looking for. Learn from other videos, articles, books, other resources. Put your learning into Epiiic. Epiiic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab your access right now and make simple videos. Upload those videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Get views, followers, clicks, and money. No selling required, no experience required, no website, no mailing list, no social following required. You can start doing it starting today. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same. And you can help us do it by simply hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media following like Facebook and Twitter. Go start today, hit the like button and share this video. They will love you, they will follow you for sharing this information, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.